Hello everyone and welcome to Pratham Reviews. Today I would be reviewing the latest Amazon Prime movie Toofan. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and watch this video till the end. Toofan is a sports drama starring Farhan Akhtar, Paresh Rawal and Mrunal Thakur. The movie is produced by Excel Entertainment and directed by Rakesh Omprakash Mehra. The trailer revealed that Toofan is a story of a street fighter's journey to becoming a professional boxer, a possible downfall due to a ban, and then the struggle to once again achieve his dream and dignity. Now, broadly, the story was clear from the trailer and did not offer much novelty. But I am a fan of Farhan Akhtar, and what excited me was Farhan Akhtar and Rakesh Omprakash Mehra collaborating once again after the massively successful 2013 movie Bhaag Milkha Bhaag. That movie too was a sports drama. Farhan Akhtar plays Aziz Ali, an orphan goon from Dongri who works as an extortionist with his friend Munna. But he is not all bad and does his bit by supporting the kids from a local orphanage. After one of his fights during extortion, Aziz gets hurt and visits a local charitable hospital where he meets Dr. Ananya, played by Mrunal Thakur. After initial arguments, Aziz and Ananya befriend each other. Aziz takes a liking to boxing after being introduced to the sport in his local gym and ends up binging on videos of Muhammad Ali's fights online. Paresh Rawal plays Nana Prabhu, who is said to be the best boxing coach of Maharashtra. He is an orthodox and prejudiced old man. After the initial hesitation and seeing his dedication, Nana decides to train Aziz for the state championship. Ananya sees the good in Aziz and convinces him to take up boxing to lead a dignified life. Aziz takes her advice and puts his blood and sweat in becoming a good boxer. Love blossoms between Aziz and Ananya, and despite the numerous hurdles due to their interfaith relationship from either sides, Ananya gets married to Aziz without changing her faith. Will Aziz succeed in knocking the numerous hurdles in his way to fulfill his dream of becoming a national champion? To find out, watch Toofan on Amazon Prime. The music of Toofan, composed by Shankar Ehsaan Loy, is good but not at par with the music coming from Excel Entertainment movies. The title song Toofan and Gehre Andhere are impactful and stay back with you. But I personally hated the song Star Hai Tu, which is a lip sync dance number which feels completely out of place. In terms of story, the trailer revealed what you could expect. It is a simple story and not novel by any means. But Excel did deliver a simple story told in a refreshing manner with well-written characters with the 2019 movie Gully Boy. That movie went deep and didn't merely scratch the surface, which happens for the most parts with Toofan. Toofan is like a bowl of fruits. The fruits are made of plastic. They look pretty, but you can't eat them or enjoy them. Being a sports drama, the boxing match scenes are the most crucial to the movie. They are shot well and succeed in intensifying the tension and the thrill. It is difficult to make a sports drama as there is already a lot of technicality introduced due to the sport being highlighted. But the makers have not focused on explaining the technicality in terms of what the rules are and how the scoring is done. A scene explaining the details would have helped to enjoy the boxing scenes much more. I was reminded of the 2017 sports drama Mukkabaz, directed by Anurag Kashyap. The plot of Mukkabaz was on similar lines as Toofan. In that movie, the makers explained the technicality and the scoring rules, and that definitely improved the experience and made it a wholesome watch. The dialogues written by Vijay Moria are good. He has done a great job with the funny lines and also with the serious, scandalous and bold dialogues. But the written material is not consistently good. Toofan is a romantic story with a backdrop of boxing and a lot hinged on the love story working. The romantic angle, according to me, was not written or developed that well, but it was salvaged due to the brilliant and honest performances by Farhan and Mrunal. In terms of performances, the movie rides on Farhan's shoulder and he does not disappoint. He has given a solid performance. His physical transformation is something to marvel at. Mrunal Thakur steals the show for me. She has done an earnest job of making Ananya a lovable character with an infectious charm who can make a goon turn into a good person. The romantic angle works because of her. Supriya Pathak has a limited screen time and hence underutilized. Hussain Dalal as Munna is terrific in the first half, wish he had more screen time. Paresh Rawal is a legend and of course he has given a superlative performance. But my issue was with his Marathi accent, which was not done perfectly. They could have cast a Marathi actor here or worked more on finessing the accent like Ranveer Singh did in Bajirao Mastani. Despite being 2 hours and 43 minutes long, I felt the movie was shorter mainly because it lacked depth. Though there was enough happening on the screen with occasional plot twists to keep me engaged and entertained. Despite its flaws, Toofan is a decent clean movie that you can watch with your family. You might not remember the movie after a few days, it does not have a lasting impact, but it definitely makes up for a good one-time watch. I am giving this movie a generous rating of 2.5 stars. You can watch the movie on Amazon Prime. Hope you liked my review and analysis of Toofan. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Let us know in the comment section which is your favorite sports drama. For me, Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar will always be number 1, followed by Lagaan. Let us also know which series or movie we should review next. Until next time, this is Prathamesh signing off. Take care.